In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D phone pop-out effect in Canva. This simple technique makes your image look like it's leaping out of a phone screen, and it works great for thumbnails, social posts, or mock-ups. I'll walk you through each step clearly, with a few tips to keep things clean and realistic. Start by opening your Canva design. You can use any size, like a YouTube thumbnail or an Instagram post. If you already have a layout in mind, that's perfect. Otherwise, a plain background is totally fine while we build the effect. Next, head over to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Phone Frame. You're looking for a frame element, which is a special kind of placeholder that lets images snap inside it. You'll usually recognize frames by the photo icon or the wavy placeholder graphic. Drag the phone frame onto your canvas and size it the way you want. Keeping it slightly tilted can add some style, but straight on works great too. Now add or upload the photo you want to pop out. A photo with a clear subject, like a person, a pet, or an object, works best for this effect. Drag that photo into the phone frame until it snaps and fills the screen. That gives you a realistic base layer of the image inside the phone. Duplicate the same photo and place the copy on top of the frame. Make sure this copy sits above everything else, so it's clearly visible. If it keeps snapping into the frame, move your cursor just outside the frame's bounds before releasing, so it stays as a free image layer. With that top copy selected, crop it so only the part that should pop out remains visible. Use the crop handles to trim away the areas that would logically sit behind the phone screen, leaving just the portion that extends past the edge, like a head, a hand, or a product corner. Align it carefully so it looks like it continues seamlessly from the photo inside the frame. To sell the depth, add a subtle shadow to the top image. With the popped-out layer selected, go to Edit Image, then choose Shadows. A drop or angle shadow usually works well here. Adjust the offset to match the direction of your light, lower the transparency for realism, and soften the blur so the shadow feels natural. A gentle shadow is all you need to make the pop look three-dimensional. And that's it. You now have a clean 3D phone pop-out effect in Canva. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva hacks.